Hi everyone, today I'm making a really interesting fusion dish. It's Tom Yum Pho. It's the perfect marriage between the Thai most delicious soup, Tom Yum, and the Vietnamese most popular noodle soup. Let's begin.
Ellen's Recipes.
You will need 30 grams of galangal cut into slices and 3 stalks of lemongrass cut into short lengths on the bias. I also have 2 large cloves of garlic and 1 shallot here. These are the normal aromatic ingredients for the Tom Yum soup. Normally the Thai people will throw all this into the soup directly, but today I'm gonna give it a little twist by applying the Vietnamese pho cooking technique by grilling all these items to bring out the aroma. Just grill on low heat for a couple of minutes until it's charred on the outside. Then rinse off to clean off the black bits. Then add all these grilled roots into a pot filled with 1.5 liters of water. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat and cook for about 7 minutes on low so that these roots will release the amazing aroma and infuse into that broth. You also need about 5 kaffir lime leaves and just roughly tear and add into the soup pot for more fragrance. Add a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of stock powder for some sweetness, and the sour and savory factor gonna be added later. Then add half a cup of mushrooms. I'm using straw mushrooms cut in halves, but you can also use oyster mushroom, button mushrooms, or any other kinds. Turn the heat to high and add about half a kilogram of prawns. We will cook them whole on high heat to bring out that orange color. Then add 3 chilies cut into slices and half a cup of sliced onion. Cook for a minute and then turn off the heat. Now add 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and a teaspoon of Tom Yum paste or Vietnamese satay. The lime juice should be added off the heat so that it will not make the soup bitter. Now add the pho noodles into the serving bowl and then ladle that delicious aromatic broth all over, and of course together with the prawns and the mushrooms. Garnish with some coriander leaves, and there you have it, the delicious aromatic Tom Yum Pho. It can't get any better than this. Best to serve with a side bowl of salt, pepper, lime sauce or mu tiêu chanh. It's so easy to make, but the result is phenomenal. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you are a phoholic just like I am, don't forget to get a copy of my Simply Pho cookbook. It's available now on Amazon and all other bookstores on and offline. I put the link right here for you to order now if you're ready. See you then in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.